guys, today we are gonna be taking penalty shootouts. This is our cameraman over here. His name's Chase. My name's Uzi, and here's Tyler, guys. We each gonna get five shots. If we miss all of them, we're gonna have to switch. Cameraman's also gonna be also in our penalty shootouts, and let's start it.
One. One.
Hi guys, now as I have taken my 5 shots, we'll be switching positions. I'll be standing here and Tyler will be starting to take the shots.
For the worst and best keeper, Uzi. For the best goal scorer and the best penalty taker and the best shooter,
Live.
Tyler.